Now at 6, a federal judge has sentenced a former firefighter to prison in a child porn case involving more than 150 videos. You see him here covering his face as he leaves court. Channel 2 investigative reporter Mark Winnie live for us at noon. And Mark, the U.S. attorney says those videos were made with hidden cameras.
Late this afternoon, we watched what appeared to be the prisoner being brought out in custody. Earlier, in what seemed like a wrenching, sob-rack statement in court, a victim spoke. I got what I understand is a copy of her prepared remarks. In it, she suggested there was inappropriate touching. She spoke of instances of abuse that haunt her day and night, and much more. And how was he caught?
Customs and Border Protection officers in Florida caught Mr. Gasaway when he came back from a family vacation, searched his phone, found videos of minors engaged in sexually explicit conduct, reported that to HSI, and HSI then executed a search warrant here in Noonan and found the hidden cameras.
We found the photo on Facebook. The man in red hair identified as Larry Gasaway. Now it was his time to face Chief Judge Lee May in federal court for sentencing after a guilty plea to a charge involving knowingly possessing matter that contained at least one visual depiction of a minor engaging in sexually explicit conduct. But court document bearing the name of U.S. Attorney Theodore Hertzberg suggests what he did went further than that. It says for more than 3.5 years, defendant Larry Gasaway used hidden cameras to record minors engaged in sexually explicit conduct. Gasaway stored the videos, more than 150 of them, on his cell phone. In April 2025, federal law enforcement discovered the videos, located and seized Gasaway's hidden cameras, and arrested Gasaway. It adds, all of the images Gasaway produced and possessed depicted either one minor child engaging in sexually explicit conduct by herself or two teenagers engaging in sexually explicit conduct with each other. In court, Gasaway said, "I am sorry for what I have done."
That was Larry Gasaway coming out, apparently attempting to hide his face.
That's right. He was sentenced to 18 years. The first 8 years will be in custody without the possibility of parole, followed by 10 years on federal supervised release.
With some really tight conditions specific to this case imposed by Chief Judge Lee May.
That's right. The defendant will have to pay $20,000 of restitution to one of his victims.
A defense filing says Larry Gasaway is 45 years old and has no criminal history whatsoever. It suggests a pre-sentence report details both the physical and sexual abuse that he and another relative endured as children, but it says Larry went on to have a successful 15-year career as a firefighter with both Coweta County and the city of Fayetteville. The filing adds, as Larry admits, he has also struggled with alcoholism throughout his adult life.
Because he accepted responsibility, the court imposed a sentence that was just 2 years shy of the statutory maximum.
Judge May said he was a child predator, and she indicated she believed the victim, and what she said was very powerful.
The victim is incredibly brave. She reclaimed her own voice here today.
Chief Law Enforcement Officer for the Northern District of Georgia, why are you doing this yourself?
It's important to me that we be responsive when we have cases involving child victims. And so, notwithstanding a manpower shortage, I will go into the courtroom so that we can continue to take these cases and not turn any of them away.